Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a more casual video. Yes, I know.
It's not very casual.
We are going to be doing my husband does my makeup challenge.
Very elaborate.
We did it a long time ago.
It was very long. It was like 4 years or something.
Yeah, like right when we first started dating. Yeah. So now we're going to do it now that we are married.
It's not going to change anything.
And we're going to see
like crap.
Shaun's skills have improved.
I have no skills in makeup.
I am not going to tell him what to use. He's going to use what he wants. And he's all on his own. So let's see what happens here. You ready?
You're going to look like a clown.
Okay, let's get started. Pumps are you using?
Didn't count.
Okay.
Oh man, you're going to be glowing.
Would you like me to close my eye?
You do what you feel best.
Okay. Stop hitting me hard on purpose.
Must use more. 4 seemed good. I don't even know if that's how much I used, but whoa, that came out. I feel like you're not supposed to drag it anywhere. I feel like you're supposed to sponge it some going on.
I will not indicate any answers to you.
I think I'm pretty smart, so that's probably what I should be doing. Is using this thing to kind of get around. Okay.
You know, I'll be really pissed if this foundation application is better than mine.
It could be.
I'll be real angry.
If I knew what went before what, I could probably be really good at
what went before what?
Yeah, because I'm really OCD, so I like to make sure that everything is even. Those blemishes, but that's okay.
Thank you for pointing that out.
Oh well. Okay. Now this is the part that I don't know, so we're gonna figure it out.
Well, foundation is on, so.
I can do anything else.
See, but you were here when I organized my cart, so you should know how I organized it.
No, I don't. This is all foundation then, or stuff you can put on first. This is how you would organize it then,
right.
If that was me. So the next stuff you would put on would be here. If you did it in the order I would do it.
If you wanted to use ColourPop eyeshadows, then yes. Remember, you have stuff in the boxes up top.
You told me what they are.
Well, you bought them for me, so.
Oh, I didn't know what they were.
Oh. What color are you using?
Gold first. Which is the gold one right here.
There you go.
Move your head this way, please, towards me.
This way?
A little more. Okay, look up. Let go.
You gonna touch me with it? Okay.
Yeah, so that see if your eyeballs won't move out of the way.
What is your desired look here?
Well, that's something you'll figure out when it's done.
Well, I can tell it's not everyday wearable just by wearing it.
No, it's just gonna be something, I mean, that's cool. That you could, like, put on camera.
You're doing a creative makeup look. Something avant-garde, if you will.
Yes. I'll tell you what I call it, and then you can put that in the title.
I like how you didn't put concealer on me.
No, you concealer.
So you decided to conceal me with shimmering eyeshadow.
Use concealer up here a little bit to kind of...
You want to keep pointing out my pimples?
Wipe out the blemishes! Alright. Alright, you can call me a dude. Alright.
I married this. I chose this life.
This is all foundation. I feel like there's concealer up here.
There, like, certainly is. I'll put it that way.
No, this is concealer. But
You can't read the directions on the back.
I most certainly
That's
can.
cheating.
It's not. But it's pink. I don't want it to be pink.
Okay, then don't use that one.
Come on. Does it have a brush attached to it?
Yeah.
Nope.
You have to squeeze it.
And that girl know what they doing. Squeeze it. What happens if I squeeze it? You're like,
Well, the product comes out
Okay, well.
into the brush.
Going after your forehead.
No, you shouldn't have to.
I hope I sponged the hell out of it.
Okay.
Get in there. Conceal. There's no camera. That's good enough. I don't like concealer. We're not using concealer. We don't need concealer. Who needs concealer? I don't need it. Wow.
It's far better than I anticipated.
What, your eyebrows?
Yeah.
Okay, look up. All I'm doing is getting all your hair. I want, like, really red lipstick on here. Really, really red. Like, dark red, but, like, kind of popping.
There's lots of different
Ooh,
reds.
what is this, purple?
No, it's red.
Forgot, colors for makeup are, like, 10,000 times more than you ever using that.
May I ask what you're going to do after this step?
Contour.
Okay.
What else? What else am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to put on some other magical foundation?
No. I'm just wondering if you're going to do mascara and eyeliner and...
Mascara for your lashes, yes I know. An eyeliner for right here, I know. But I want to do that after I get this done in contour.
Okay, we're doing lips first. Got it.
Yes. Do stuff in my order.
Okay.
My order. Look up.
Close my eye.
Look at the camera. Okay.
It's very dark.
Yes, it is. This one?
Mm-hmm. Shaun has now entered the vicious cycle of trying to make your wings even.
Let me see. I'd hell with it. Looks pretty decent to me, so. At least from a distance.
At least from a distance.
Oh! Oh, my back. Where'd this guy go? Okay. So, I'm never really good at mascara, but I think you go up. Can you do this and use like a curling thing to You do it. But I'm screwing up everywhere. There's black everywhere. I don't like mascara. I'm done. I'm done. You fix it. You do mascara. We're cheating. So, where's your contour at?
No. Yes. It's broken.
Okay. I can use El Sponjo for this. No, using brush. Using brush. Using the nice...
Face brushes are in here.
These are all face brushes?
Yeah, for the most part.
Whoa, this is gonna work. You're like, sweet God. So, Crimp 'em. Yeah.
Crimp 'em.
So I need to go along this right.
It's not fair. You have good bone structure, so you get to cheat. Because you actually have cheekbones. He won't let me contour him. It's a tragedy to society.
It's right here then. What are you doing?
Checking the time on the video.
Oh, it's fine. Do it. Thank you. I don't know why you just do this. I don't like this. What the hell is this supposed to do?
You gonna throw up?
Hmm?
You gonna throw up?
No!
Oh.
Oh god, we both agree. Alright, you can do that part too.
No!
I don't know how to do it clearly! Look at your face! You look like a mannequin!
You gotta fix it!
I don't know how to fix it.
Not with that brush, baby!
Different brush? Like this one, maybe. It's smaller.
Some of the brushes are labeled, if that's helpful.
Real techniques, yeah, that helps me. Seriously. This is what a contour brush is, not that?
That's a foundation brush.
Oh my god.
Tell him, River.
Will you stop? You have the easiest life here.
Okay, so now Shaun will attempt to fix
I will fix.
his contour.
I'm putting too much on, is what it is. Let me see the other one then. I can fix that. Let me see. That one's better. Not perfect, but I use a little more on that side, but I think it's good.
Okay.
Fire and ice. That's what I wanted to call it.
Ah.
Fancy.
Do you want to use highlighter?
For your cheeks? Sure.
Okay.
We need to wash this. Okay.
No, those can go back in
Oh. Okay. Where's your highlighter?
In the cart.
Okay. Here.
Now.
Here.
Now.
Here.
Yeah.
The final result of what he
You're
said.
done?
Like, I'm done, yes.
Well, let me angle so they can get a good
I
look.
did a pretty bad job, to be honest.
Okay.
Obviously, I didn't do your mascara because I was not having that shit.
Here we are. This is our final look, yes?
Yes.
This is Shaun's fire and ice vision.
I think it would be a little better fire and ice if I did like a kind of redder glitter up there, but it's alright.
You wanted to give me red glitter eyebrows.
Not eyebrows, where the gold is.
Ah.
Yeah, but I mean, you get it. I mean, if it's like kind of Hunger Games style, then the fire and ice makes more sense that way. Because they all wear like gold and glitter everywhere, so.
Would you like my final critiques?
No, I don't want her final critiques. You're gonna be like, this
No.
sucks!
The eyeliner is very good, actually. Like, it's very even
precise
and
with
also
that.
very full. I mean, I know I did the waterline, but the underneath was all you. The eyebrows are pretty normal as to what I do. So, good work. There's no tail. I usually make them longer.
Yeah.
But the highlight was good. That's good. The contour takes practice, but we all start somewhere. And the eyeshadow actually laid on really even.
Yeah.
The lips got away from you.
What?
On
What are you
the,
talking about? A little bit, but when you look at it from like the camera point of view, it looks fine.
From afar, I'm
From afar,
stunning.
yes, that's what I was going for because no one's going to see you in person right now.
That's true.
So you're on camera.
So, this is the end of Shaun retrying to do my makeup. Now I will give him a soft, beautiful glam. So I will see you guys in the next video.
No, you're not.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.
I don't
and
want
we'll see you in
makeup
the next
done.
one.
You're not going to have that as your next video.